Riverview Sports Complex stands as a beacon of community excellence in the heart of Sector D, DHA Phase 1. Soon, behind this remarkable location, JFC will host an exciting club building, containing JFC Terrace barbecue, party hall, and library. Imagine savoring delicious cuisines while enjoying breathtaking terrace views, celebrating life's special moments in a sophisticated party hall, or diving into the tranquil ambience of a well-stocked library. This upcoming facility is designed to elevate your leisure experience and blend luxury with serenity. Stay tuned for the grand unveiling and get ready to indulge in an unparalleled experience.